Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute. Today I'm gonna show you how to change Twitter settings to see sensitive contents. So first of all, the Twitter app doesn't have that in their app settings anymore, even if you search to your profile settings. So to turn it off or turn it on, simply open your browser on your phone. I'm using Safari right now, and let's search for twitter.com. Then, log into your account. Once done, click your profile icon to the top left corner. Then, tap on Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. On this page, click Privacy and Safety, then tap this, Content You See. And finally, you can turn on or turn off sensitive content on your Twitter account. Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.